All right, hi everyone. Want to do this great video to talk about a new study that came up. This is just updated October 25th, 2022, so it's really cool. It's talking about omega-3 levels. Omega-3 means fatty acids that you get, things like that are in extra virgin olive oil or in some of the bad foods like fried foods and things like that. But you want to get your fatty acids in omega-3 form from raw foods, fresh foods, good extra virgin olive oils, flaxseed, things like that. So here's the study. It was really cool because they wanted to see if taking in these fatty acids actually helped with making your brain be able to be younger and be able to have better cognitive function, be able to keep your memory, to be able to have short-term, long-term memory issues. And so they did this study and they found out that absolutely that having more borage, flaxseed, algae oils, extra virgin olive oil, that type thing in your diet, avocados, went a long way to improving your brain health and actually keeping it young, which is really critical now because of the issues of dementia and Alzheimer's and those types of things. So this research was published in the Journal of Neurology. It was a great study. It kind of piggybacked off an old study called the Framingham Offspring Study, which was about 10 years ago. That was a really great study, but they didn't know why the brain was becoming younger and it was benefiting from the fatty acids back then. So they wanted to answer that question. And so they gave people these fatty acids, again, improving your diet like we talked about. Very important to understand this, that if you eat more avocados, more flaxseed, more borage, algae oils when you supplement. I'm not the biggest fan of the fish oils because of the mercury and those problems, but more of the vegetable type oils. And if you use the algae, you can still get really good EPA and DHA levels. And those are forms of omega fatty acids that you want to have, EPA and DHA. So they did the study, and what they found from the study was, it was really cool, is that it helped with the hippocampus, increase the size of that. And that's a part of the brain that's for memory, for learning, and those things. And it actually increased its size, which is really, really cool. And so the results of the study, I'll kind of go to the ending, the conclusion, show that the low red blood cell DHA levels, these omega-3 fatty acids, are associated with smaller brain volumes and a vascular pattern that causes cognitive impairment, causes issues with the brain, and even with people that don't have clinical dementia. So they found that by having these omega-3s in the diet, like I mentioned, increase the hippocampus, be able to help the brain, keep it younger, improve your memory, help with brain fog. So the answer is to eat more essential fatty acid type foods and supplement with a good fatty acid that has flaxseed, borage in it, algae oil, and keep those numbers up to be able to have a young brain. And always remember, keep chewing.